how to scan QR code on Android phones. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can scan a QR code on an Android phone. So let's get into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your phone. So you don't need to download any application. If you want to download any application, you can, and that will work too, but nowadays you don't need to. So all you need to do is just simply open up your camera application, click on the camera app. It's going to open up. Just show your QR code on your camera app, and it's going to pop up at the bottom right here. So this icon pops up. All you have to do is just simply tap on it and it'll open up the link. And then you can just simply click on go to visit website and you are good to go. Another thing that you can do is you can just simply click on the camera app and open up the lens application. And then you can just simply scan it and just simply click on the link or tap on the link and it'll open up right here. So this was the original link. There you go. Then you can just simply watch the video or, whatever link you've attached within that QR file. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.